Hi, I'm Juliet and this is the next project prep video with Scrivener 3 for Windows. Today we're looking at character and location sketches. In your binder you'll see that Scrivener has a templates folder. In that folder are two templates. There's one for character and one for setting sketches. The templates folder is where the master files for these are kept, so you shouldn't type into these with all your information. But this is where you can customize them before starting, which you'll probably want to do, because they're bound to be different from what you want to use. So if you're used to using different categories or want a different font, this is where you can change that. Do this first. To actually use the templates for your novel, you'll see two folders already created in the binder. Every time you add a document to one of these folders, it will use the current version of the template from the template folder as a basis. All you have to do now is to get planning. But one final thing. Remember those bookmarks we saw in the last video? Well, once you've populated your character and location folders, you can see those details in the inspector. If you missed the first video in this series about research, that's this one here.